Hi, this is Megan Bax with Realty One Group. We're here today in Sunset Shadows at Unit 4 off Waltan. It's a single family unit, tile roof, built in 1983. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a corner unit here. It's been fully remodeled, floor to ceiling. You've got satin nickel hardware, security door, or really screen doors more than anything. All new flooring throughout is textured laminate. Throughout the main levels, you've got a nice 5-inch, 6-inch modern baseboard. It's painted a nice two-tone, like a light gray. Your little coat closet. It's nice, it's got a small yard. It does have a community pool as well. Get you some lights in the kitchen here, sorry. This one. Everything's been redone. You've got Whirlpool appliances, all satin nickel, really nice shaker style cabinets, flat top electric range, quartz counters, big Kohler single basin sink. That is your parking spaces right there. There's 2 right behind here, one covered, one uncovered. Got the top button dishwasher as well. Nice little space for a dining area. Total square footage on this is 1,100 square feet, so decent size, and it's really nicely laid out. This is your whole backyard, and then you've got a little side yard over here. Plenty of room for a garden. You could do pavers here with a little table and fire pit. A lot of options here. This is here, we'll just go over the top here. There's the parking area behind. That's your uncovered spot, and then this right here is your covered spot, so it walks right into the back. We've got a storage area here I'll open up in a minute. Really a nice unit. This one is listed at $275. Highest sold closed comp that was similar was at $265. A lot of these are 2-story, so when I send you over the comps, they'll look a lot lower, but the 2-story units are gonna sell for considerably less per square foot. This will be one of the most desirable units in here. It was bought for $236 July of last year, and then they came in and remodeled it floor to ceiling. Nice slider right out the side here for some privacy in the primary bedroom. You've got a nice little makeup area here, a linen that they added, so you've got some shelving and some storage. Nice vanity, and you've got the nice big modern tile in here. Quartz counter, undermount sink. Really a cute place. And here they've gotten this to a large shower with a 1-piece surround. And tile, sorry, this tile, not a 1-piece surround, even better. But down to, they've replaced the toilets, they replaced, you can see the ceiling, or the fans, all the light fixtures. Everything in here, even down to the light switches, look pretty new. So really top notch on the remodel, as opposed to some that do a partial or for, leave some of the little details hanging. You've got a nice size walk-in closet here. Makes the most of that small space, but really a nice setup. Over here you have the other 2 bedrooms, 2nd bath. It does already have all the window coverings as well, dual pane windows. Look at this closet, you've got the built-ins and everything. And then this has got a nice Jack and Jill setup with this secondary bedroom. A subway style tile in the back. And then the remaining 3rd bedroom. Nice big window back here. Great location here in North Phoenix. This is in Paradise Valley School District, which is one of our top rated school districts as well. So in terms of this property being a great rental or primary residence, I think you'd have a lot of interest either way. Let me know what you think if you'd be interested in putting in an offer. Thanks so much.